Let's meet Harry. He's an Airbnb host struggling with a weak Wi-Fi network in an older building built in the 1920s. He called TMAAC-LLC for a simple router installation, hoping that would solve the problem. TMAAC-LLC came up with a complete plan. They went above and beyond. TMAAC-LLC took time to diagnose the issue. They considered physical factors that impacted the Wi-Fi signal like air temperature, router placement, and wall materials. When Harry asked TMAAC-LLC to cut down on costs, they worked with him to create a streamlined plan, just focusing on changes that would have the most significant impact on the network's speed, and they didn't charge Harry a diagnostic fee. TMAAC-LLC worked with Harry's ISP to help address other issues that would reduce network speed. His original proposal didn't include this, but they sought opportunities to improve the network, including strategic placement of Wi-Fi access points, relocating the ISP equipment, and insightful installation of the network cables. Call TMAAC-LLC for exceptional IT service and support that goes above and beyond. Call 937-505-0608 today.